that this is just the beginning of a long and exciting career for the newest heartthrob on the block.
Showbiz royalty comes the Prince of Arts. And he's ready to take the next big step. The Mulak Magic's next in line, the newest heartthrob, Andres Mulak.
Viva's newest artist and the latest heartthrob sensation. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Andres Mulak. And of course, joining Andres on stage, let us also welcome our bosses from Viva, President and COO of Studio Viva, Boss Val del Rosario. President and COO of Viva Artist Agency, Boss Veronique del Rosario Corpus, and President and COO of Viva Communications, Boss Vincent del Rosario. Good afternoon po to all of you here. Now may I ask Boss Vincent, meron daw po kayong quick message, welcoming remarks to Andres and to everybody.
In behalf of the family and the Viva, syempre happy kami that si Andres has finally decided to enter showbiz. Matagal na ligawan, pero at the end, maganda kinalabasan. And I think part of the initial reluctance of si Andres was getting himself ready for the business. And I guess in time, fortified his resolve to join the industry. And hopefully, now that his dad, his mom, and then si Atasha, siyempre, sama-sama na dito sa Viva, hopefully, maging kumpleto na. And together with my siblings, we've lined up some very exciting projects for Andres. Hopefully, starting third quarter and onwards. So again, welcome Andres to Viva and to the industry.
Thank you. Congratulations again, Andres, and to the whole Viva family. Now, may I invite